for the upcoming seminar. This particular drill is called the 4-count diagonal. This drill you can use in a variety of ways. So I'm just going to show you right now the application of it. First, you're going to do the warm-up. So you're going to start with a right foot forward, good fighting stance. Make sure you keep your heels up so you can go forward, back, like that. A little spring on your step, good fighting stance. Not too wide, not too narrow. Just find your balance. Alright, so from here, you can start over here. This one is called the closed position. There's two ways starting position. One is called the close, and the other one is open. So we're gonna do the close one first. Starting this way, so 4 counts. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you lead with the knuckles, because every time you use a stick, you're gonna pretend that it's like a blade. So you're gonna lead with the edge part, which is right around your knuckle. So you're gonna go, your target area is gonna be from shoulder to hip, shoulder to hip, follow through, shoulder to hip, shoulder to hip. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it more simpler to teach. You're gonna say right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure keep your elbows a little bit closer to your body. Don't overextend. And when you swing, 1, follow through with your waist. 2, 3, 4. Use your waist as well as your forearm. So the whole power comes from using your whole body. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Alright, now I'm going to show you application on the bag. So, grab bag. You're going to go target area. It's going to be try to hit like around the head area. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now when you do bagging, make sure you hit with the tip of the stick, the whole stick, okay? Because the power is in the first 2-3 inches of the stick, like that. The most end part, like baseball. When you swing the baseball, I don't play baseball personally, so but they said the power is in on the uppermost top of the swing. So 4. Okay. Close position. Make sure you're away from the bag, and you're gonna slide in. So right foot forward, make sure you're in a good, nice distance, not too close. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there's a couple ways to do this drill. So we're gonna go. This one's gonna be stationary. We can also do like a dynamically. So we're gonna go in and out. So you're gonna go. There's a dynamic dynamic. We can also do with a forward. So he's gonna do forward, going towards me, and then I'm gonna go slide back, right foot forwards always, and then he's gonna slide back. So watch first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Linear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right forward. Right foot forward always. So there's one way to do it. We have a couple of variation of this one. I'm gonna show you the different combination we have. So this one is called the 4-count regular. Then we have the modified. We have the broken. So regular, 4-count, modified, broken. Alright, I'm gonna put it all together. Good. Again. That's a 4-count. We also have the 6-count. So 6-count we have like 4 sets of it. So we're gonna do slow first. So 6-count first. 3. That's regular. Then we have overhead passing. Then we have the modified, 2 high. And then we have the broken. So put it all together. So those are the 6. And now I'm going to show you the 8-count now. 8-count, there's also 3 sets. We're going to first do the regular. So 8-count. Sorry, low. So 4 high, 4 low. 1, 2, 3, 4, right first. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the regular. Now we're going to do modified, 8-count. Again. And then we also have the broken, 8-count. Again, 8-count. Broken. Missing one. Okay. And then after that, we're going to do 12 count. 12 count, we also have 3 sets. So first one, 12 count regular. It's 12 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we have the modified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have the broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's the whole basically double stick drills that we do. And that one you can do first with stationary, and there's like a million footwork that you can do with this one, like different variation. So we're gonna try to put it all together so you see what it looks like. So we're gonna do 4, 6, 8, and 12. Alright? 4 count. 6 count. 8 count. 12 count. Modified. And broken. Alright, so those are basically the whole set. And then this is called the closed version. And of course we have the open version. So that one we're gonna try to discuss next time so you can watch it. But before you start all this, you start off with a single stick first. So start with the regular, all high. 3, 4. High, 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 high. And then you get the modified. And then the broken. Alright, so that one you can do like that, or you can do reverse grip. You go high, 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 low, low, So hopefully you can make it in our seminar, our instructor seminar. You're gonna learn basically 1 or 2 drills they can use in a variety of application. And first you gotta start with the basic, and as time goes on, you're able to apply and teach it. So hope you can make it on the date, January 29. It's I think Sunday from 9 to 4 p.m. and see you soon. And we'll have some more videos like this on the next time. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.